Hi, boys and girls. How's it going? I hope everyone's doing good. We are going to work on lesson 54 today in your workbook. So you will need to have your workbook open to lesson 54, and that is on page 142. So if you could have your workbook open, and we are going to begin with doing some counting exercises together first. So listen, you'll start with 16 and count by fours to 40. Okay? Start with 16 and count by fours. What comes after 16 when you count by fours? 20, right? So it goes 16, 20, and then we're down on the bottom row, right? 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. Let's try that one more time. Count by fours from 16 to 40. Ready? Go. 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. Wonderful. Next, we're going to start with 16 and we're going to count by twos to 30. Okay? Start with 16 and we're going to count by twos. So if we're at 16 and we go up 2, what number will we be at? 16 and 2 more is 18, and 2 more is 20. Okay? Let's count by twos. Start with 16. 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. Try that one more time. Start with 16 and count by twos. 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. Great. Next, we're going to start with 55, and we're going to count by fives to 100. So if we're at 55 and we go up 5, what number will we be at? Right, 60. It goes 55, 60, 65, 70. Okay, get 55 going, and let's count by 5. 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Again, get 55 going and count. 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Okay. Next, we're going to count by hundreds to 1,000. Start with 100 and count by hundreds. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000. Wonderful. And for the last counting exercise, I want you to start at 100 and we're going to count back by tens. So if you're at 100 and you go back 10, what number will you be at? 90, right? Okay, start with 100, count back by 10. 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. Good job. Good job, boys and girls. Okay. Touch part 1 in your workbook. Okay. And you have problems where you add 10. Please pause the video and write down answers to all of the problems in part 1, and then we'll check them. Okay, let's check the answers. So 59 plus 10 is 69. 40 plus 10 is 50. 47 plus 10 is 57. 10 plus 65 is 75. 10 plus 89 is 99. 60 plus 10 is 70. 13 plus 10 is 23. Good job, boys and girls. Next, we are going to go on to part 2 in your workbook, which is the transitivity. Okay, so we're going to be reading the statement first. Okay, and we are going to eliminate, which means to take away, the middle number and write down the statement that compares the other two numbers, okay? So for A, which one are we going to eliminate? We're going to eliminate the P, right? So if we take away the P, which two numbers are we now going to compare? 11 and 15, okay? And what does it say about 11 and 15? It says that 11 is less than 15, right? So we should have this. Okay, touch problem B. Cross out the middle number. And which numbers are we comparing? We're comparing the 15 and the F. And what does it say? Well, it says that F is less, right? So if F is less, 15 is more, right? All right, going on to C. Which one are we going to cross out? The middle number is 9. And what are we going to compare? The 6 and the W. And what goes in between? Let's see. 6 is less. W is more. So it goes this way, right? Okay. And D. Cross out the middle number and compare the 5 and the E. And did you get that 5 is more than E, right? 5 is more, E is less. Okay? Good job. All right, going on to part 3. The rulers in part 3 show centimeters. They have a shaded part and an unshaded part. You can't see the whole shaded part, but the number above the shaded part tells how many centimeters long the shaded part is. So touch A. What is the shaded part? 37. And so now you need to count how many centimeters long the unshaded part is and write the number above it. How many centimeters? 6, right? It goes like this. 1 centimeter, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, what number are you going to get going? 37. Get 37 going and count the centimeters. Ready? 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43. What is 37 plus 6? 43. Good. Going on to B. What is the shaded part? 65. Count and write down the number for the unshaded part. And did you get 5 for the unshaded part? Good job. And now I want you guys to get 65 going and count 5 more and tell me what that equals. Did you guys get 70 for that? Good job. It goes 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Excellent. Okay. we are going to go on to the next part here. And for part 4, we are going to review the geometry. So if you can touch number 1, what shape? Cube. Number 2, triangle. Number 3, pyramid. Number 4, square, rectangle. Number 5, sphere. Number 6, cube. Number 7, circle. Number 8, sphere. Number 9, pyramid. Number 10, circle. Number 11, triangle. Number 12, square, rectangle. Okay. So what we're going to do here on the bottom part is it gives us the name of a shape, and you need to write down the numbers, okay, which shapes up here are that name. So the first one here is triangle. So find the triangles and write the number on the line here. So I see a triangle here. What number? 2. So you're going to write 2 on the line. Do you see another triangle? Yep. What number is that? 11. Good. So you have 2 and 11. Next, let's go across here. This is the word sphere. Okay. I want you to find the spheres that you see there. Write down the numbers. What numbers did you write? Did you write 5 and 8? Good job. Going on to the next shape, we have square. Write down the numbers of the squares. Did you write 4 and 12? Wonderful. Go down to the next row. We have pyramid. Write down the numbers that are pyramids. Did you write down 3 and 9? Great. Next, what do we have? Circle. Write down the numbers that are circles. Did you write 7 and 10? Good. And the last one is cube. Write down the numbers that are cubes. Did you write 1 and 6 for that? Good job. Good job, boys and girls. You guys did wonderful today. Tomorrow we will finish working on this lesson. So tomorrow we will do the timed part and then the independent part. So for your independent work for today, boys and girls, you can choose an activity off of the math menu to do. Okay? All right. Have a great day. Bye.